Hello guys, let's talk about a little bit about our journals. Some of you do have questions and they have emailed me. So let's go over it real quick. So the terms that you have here are different situations, different emotions that we go through or are a problem in the society. So these are the terms taken from that. Now what you have to do is once you get to the term you wish to analyze further, go through the quote. You are not analyzing or writing about the quote explaining me. Rather, this is for your help so that you can understand the depth of the given situation or the given emotion that we go through at times. Once you have gone through that one, you have really read the quote, understood it. Let's get to how it applies to your everyday life. What does it mean to you? What is the meaning of, say, for example, anxiety to you? Then you will provide evidence from your observations. Anything that you might have observed in the family, in friends, wherever your observation that you can think of, that you have seen this happening and what people go through during that time. Now you might say that I have not observed anyone with anxiety. What do I do then? Fine. Let's go through some studies, some readings. Yes, you will need to have some additional reading done to analyze the given emotion in detail. And that's the evidence you will be providing in your writing and explaining further at the end that how this whole thing maybe evolved you as a person also. Once you know what is anxiety, how does it affect you? What do you think about it? Many students have written, do I write in first person or third person? So basically everything will be in general that you will be doing because you are talking about the given topic right here. You are utilize the readings. Yes, towards the end, definitely when you are talking about your everyday life and the meaning of this emotion, you are using first person. When you talk about observations, yes, it is first person. But then it is kind of a mixture. The whole journal should not be I every time. So keep that. It will be a blend. It will be a mixture. And that's how you proceed. It will be one page, single space. And simply you are just getting your heart out to this. I hope I am clear. If it's not clear, again, email me. We will talk in class. We will talk after class also. So there is, just because this video is done, do not think that this is the end and I'm not going to explain you further. I will. So please do not worry about it. Thank you so much, guys.